student-run device? Yeah. So basically the same way. Actually, you can the student can just go into this like here, slide button, and they'll be able to actually go to resources and getting started. So we go from the basics, and this will bring them to kind of all of the instruments installing, using, right? And we, our products in the past were
whatever, you can get access to our code, you can get access to our data sheet, and if you want to create your own product, you have the ability to do so. So this is the Pendulum Blue. This is the robotics board under the
Too fast.
part of that is so if you and anybody else ever have a problem with CI technology, that is what we hear. There's E2E and all that other stuff, but we're dedicated to this. Okay, and we'll figure that out.
That was my case. Right?
We'll talk outside. We'll talk outside. Okay. All right. Did somebody have a question? No. See it. So
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
But it has a very low balance threshold. It just eventually will break out and stabilize.
Well, those are tough things to do in programming. You got to have a different set of coefficients.
Exactly. But when it's moving, it seems to smooth out.
There we go, it's moving.
It just cannot be too abrupt. Not be too violent.
No impulse function.
Come on, knock him out, knock him out.
All right, we can
Knock
have
him
a game.